Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create smartwatch promo using custom shapes. Create a blank canvas in Photoshop, draw the smartwatch body using custom rounded shapes, then add strap with elongated rectangles. Apply gradient overlay for metallic and leather textures. Insert highlight shapes along edges for shine. Group layered for organized workflow. Apply inner shadow for depth. Add background shapes for promotional appeal. Then insert text layer for smartwatch names and features. Arrange shapes and text using smart guides. Apply drop shadow for natural floating effect. Duplicate highlight shapes for consistent